Hello my love, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really big haul that I want to share with you guys. I have a few items from Ross and I have a lot of items from SHEIN, so let's get started. Okay my love, but first I want to share a little accessories that I found with you guys before I jump into the try on haul. So let's start with this handbag. This handbag is from SHEIN, but you can notice it is a pretty good size. I did pay $25, but if you go on the website right now, it's for sale for $21.03. I love this bag. It's a beautiful size. I love it. They have different colors. Of course I chose black because it matches everything, but this is what it looks like. Pretty big size. It has a lot of room, and it also comes with a strap to make it like a crossbody bag. It's personal preference, but this is what the first item looks like. Stunning. And you can also remove this if you don't like it, but I think it's stunning overall. And then the next item that I got from SHEIN are these beautiful sunglasses. I love that they come with the packaging. I didn't think it would because it was really affordable, so that's a steal. I only paid $5 for this. Right now, if you go on their websites, they're also for sale for $4.21. And it also comes with this to clean them. But this is what they look like. They're stunning. I just think they're the perfect shape. This is what they look like on. They are pretty big, especially for those days that I don't wear makeup. These are perfect glasses for that. They're stunning. My love, let's just move into the trying on clothes from SHEIN. Okay, my love, so this is the first outfit from SHEIN. This is what it looks like. It is a two-piece, like you can notice. It is in this beautiful color green, and the print, it has a little bitty flowers all over. So I love the length of this little skirt. It's pretty long. I wish you guys can see. It does have an opening like on the leg part, so I think that's really comfortable, especially for this weather right now. It's not too cold or not too hot. I did pay $19, but right now it's on sale for only $15.98, so get your hands on this. They do have different colors. Okay, my love, this is the next outfit. I think overall it's a perfect outfit, especially in the little town that I live. It's sometimes kind of fresh at nighttime, so I think it will be perfect. You can wear with the little top, the little coat on the top, or without, but this is what it looks like. It's a perfect outfit to go on a date night. What do you guys think? So I did pay $22 for this outfit, but right now it's on sale for $18.20. Okay, my love, this is the second outfit. I did pay $20 for this, but right now it's on sale for only $16. It looks like. Keep in mind that the skirt, it is zipper on the side. It's not the stretchy material, so keep that in mind. So keep in mind that right here on the leg is pretty high cut, so you can see your underwear unless you wear without nothing on the bottom, or you can wear with some black shorts on the bottom. But this is what it looks like. This is what the back look like, and it is pretty long, but it's stunning. I'm super ready for summer. Moving on with this beautiful yellow outfit. This is also a skirt and the little top. So I did pay only $13 for this, but right now it's on sale for $10. But this is what it looks like. I love the length. I love that it's not too short. But this is what the back looks like. Also, keep in mind that this outfit is in the same material as the last outfit, so it does come with the zipper on the back. Make sure you get the right size for you. Okay, my love, this is the next outfit. I don't love the fit on this, to be honest, because it is really tight to the body. If I'm being honest, I only got it because I only paid $9. It was on sale. But anyways, if you like super tight clothes, you're gonna love this outfit, especially for a fancy event. I think it's really classic. It's a long skirt. It's basically all the way to my ankles. Okay, my moving on, I have another set, and this is a beautiful skirt. I love this color. I love how unique the top is. Also, I only paid $9 for this outfit, but overall I just think it's stunning. I don't really wear brown colors because I feel like it makes me look dark, but I do really like this outfit. Okay, my love, this is one of the outfits that I couldn't wait to try on. It's just super comfortable and cozy, especially for this weather that is kind of hot in the morning, but it's super chilly on the nighttime. So I think it's a perfect outfit. You can close your little jacket if that makes you feel more comfortable. I did pay $23 for this outfit, but right now it's on sale for $19. But I love this outfit. I love the color. I love the texture. It is pretty thick. Okay, my love, and I also picked up a few accessories from Ross. So let's start with this belt. It's from Michael Kors. It's stunning. I think it's beautiful. This is the print and this is what it looks like. I did get it on the size extra large. Original price was $58 and I only paid $20 for this, so I think that's amazing. It is a reversible belt, so you can turn it around and just have the brown color, but I think it's stunning. And the reason I picked this up is because I find me a Michael Kors purse. I've been looking for one. I just always wanted one of these purses. It's stunning. It is super big, so a lot of things are gonna fit in here. It's just super roomy. This is what the inside looks like. It's just stunning. I'm obsessed with it. This is how the back looks like. It does have a little space to put more things in here. This purse runs for $120 and I only paid $60, so that's really exciting. And this is the reason why I bought this belt, but I hope you guys can find this at your Ross. It's just stunning. And now, my love, let's just start with the try on haul from Ross. Moving on to Ross, this is the first outfit. This is what it looks like. For this outfit, I only paid $10.99. This is what it looks like. It does fit me a little bit big. I believe this is a size extra large. Also, I didn't mention, but all my outfits from SHEIN, they're size extra large or large, but this is extra large from Ross. I want to mention that this outfit is super comfortable. I love the top. I love the arms, and you can make a little knot right here. But this is how the pants look like. They are white on the bottom, so I love that about this outfit. Okay, my love, and this is the last outfit from Ross. Also was $10.99. This is what it looks like. So it's basically the same. The bottom part is really white on the feet area, which I really love. And the arms, the same thing on the arms, is pretty wide, and you can tie a knot right here. Also, I forgot to mention about the other outfit, but these outfits do have pockets on the side, so I love that about it. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what outfit was your favorite. Okay, my loves, and that's the end of this big haul. I hope you guys enjoy, and make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss my future videos. Remember, I will be posting every single Thursday, so make sure you come back and check all my future content. That is really exciting. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.